International Workers' Day is observed each year on the first day of May to celebrate the achievement of working class. The day, also called as May Day, and is generally a public holiday in many countries. In order to honor the contribution of working women and men, we celebrate Labor Day. Okay, all form of work, either manual or intellectual, is called labor. When we talk about the work of a clerk, teacher, doctor, lawyer, their work requires mainly brain work. Whereas the work of cultivator, miner, artisan, their work requires the bodily labor. And when we say work of this cultivator, miner, artisan is as respectable as work of a teacher, doctor, lawyer, we means there's dignity of labor. No work is insignificant. Every job that is dutifully done to uplift humanity has dignity and importance and should be undertaken with a painstaking excellence. Materially, if the people of a nation are not laborers, whether the nation can develop, whether it can, a nation that cannot work hard, a nation that does not give importance to the dignity of labor lags behind the progressive nation. Dignity of labor means all occupation, either involving intellectual labor or physical labor, deserves equal dignity and respect. But some educated feel beneath their dignity to work as a laborer, to work with tool and machinery. They do not look upon these ordinary laborer with the eye of respect, and this is utterly wrong. But nowadays the outlook of present generation is changing. They begin acknowledging the significance of manual labor, and a large number of educated now do not hesitate to do all sort of laborers' work. An ordinary laborer without education is better than the idle educated man, because he earns his bread with the sweat of his own brow. At last, to sum it up, Labor Day is celebrated all around the world to recognize the efforts of millions of workers and the helpers. They make our work easy and tirelessly work to contribute little to our society. So on this day, we thank all the laborers around the world for their efforts and hard work. Thank you.